Hi, I want to sing this beautiful song, which is called Bird on the Wire. This is a song by Leonard Cohen. But I will sing my version, my reading of this song. And I want to say you that I'm, I love, I'm adore, I, I like so much my version of this song. Because I think that my reading, my version, sounds mostly touchable. Короче, песня Леонарда Коэна «Птичка на проводе, бронзовая». Мне не нравится версия Леонарда Коэна. Вообще, от слова совсем. Вот. Но песня мне нравится. Я ее спела, и я, можно сказать, тащусь. Я восхищаюсь, я в восторге. Я люблю свою версию прочтения этой песни. Она такая грустная, в моем понимании. И как-то после нее грустно становится. Ну, мы все равно, как говорится, ее любим. Но я имею в виду не только я, но и моя семья. Like a bird on the wire, like a drunk in the midnight choir, I have tried in my way to be free. Like a worm on a hook, like a knight from some old-fashioned book, I have saved all my ribbons for thee. If I have been unkind, I hope that you can just let it go by. If I have been untrue, I hope you know it was never to you. Like a baby stillborn, like a beast with his horn, I have torn everyone who reached out for me. But I swear by this song and by all that I have done wrong, I will make it all up to thee. I saw a beggar leaning on his wooden crutch. He said to me, you must not ask for so much. And a pretty woman leaning at her darkened door, she cried to me, hey, why not ask for more? Oh, like a bird of the wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir, I have tried in my way to be free. Где мои аплодисменты? Okay. Thank you for your attention. See you later. Bye.